So here we go with another one. Okay, that says SOG. Well, I don't think it is a SOG. I really don't. I don't remember what I paid for it, but I don't. I don't. SOGknives.com. I don't know. Maybe it is. That might be SOG's web address. If it was fake, why would they put the actual company's web address on there? I don't know. Let's see. Let's check her out. Deep carry pocket clips, extremely deep carry. Literally, you will not see this knife anywhere. And it appears that you can change it left or right because it comes up, out, and it goes into the scale right here as the screw. And it's also an indent on the other side to where you can flippy floppy it around. Not very okay. It is on bearings. It is just so this is the closing mechanism. So you really thumb flick it better. And maybe it needs some breaking in, but I mean, it's just the way this detent or this release on the lock is made. The blade does not respond very well. You can flick it open, but you have to have intent. You can't just get on the stud, or you can, but you have to put a good bit of force on there. And even on the thumb, let's see, you can flip it out there, but it says Terminus XR limited series cryo D2. So I guess I'll have to do a little bit of research because I mean, in the description, I mean, it didn't show SOG. It didn't show any branding. Which usually, if I find a cheap knife, and this isn't even what it looked like. It was blue. It looked almost like aluminum scales. SOG nowhere on it. This was not there. It was like the Benchmade style deal, and nothing. Um, Nothing branded. So that usually tells me that it is probably a fake. That's going to be my assumption. Um, so they're really good at hiding what you're actually buying. Yeah, see that detent was completely loose, and it flicks better. But well, let's see. Blade floppy. Blade not floppy. Still opening and closing. So you have to open and close this with intent. Um, so it appears to be G10 handles or plastic. I'm not sure. I'll have to do some research into this, and I will actually finish this video then, because I want to find out if this is a fake, and maybe they sent me or didn't send me what I ordered by mistake, maybe. I mean, I don't know. I don't know where SOG is made. I mean, I really don't. Um, and so, I mean, it's not a bad knife. I mean, it doesn't feel bad. It's just this detent right here with the liner. Well, I don't know what you call that. Dynalock if you're one, or Axis Lock if you're another vendor, and Pocket Lock if you're from China, and who knows what all. But it's not very well implemented. So I'm going to take this thing apart. So I'll finish this video after I do some research to find out if this is a fake or not, and a little more information about it. And then we'll actually do a teardown on it, take a look at it, see if we can improve this lockup right here to make it a little more smooth. Because with it open, see, you pull down on it and the blade stops right there. Now, we're open and you pull down just right, and right there, it almost closes, and I release it and it'll flip. So, and I think it's got to do with this right here, this flipper tab, the way it's implemented. And you can really see where it's a deep cutout along the flipper tab right around in here to make allowances for this style liner lock. So, like I said, let me do some research and I'll be right back. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.